Changing the phone number on your Binance account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the settings gear. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security Settings option. Click on it to access your security features, including phone number management. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the option to change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, such as receiving a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Make sure to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication.